makisama, di na nakalati, namumulis ng cellphone yan. Pero magloko ka lang, lagot at mapipektasan. Oo, magaling siya makipagbiruan, pero ang puso mo'y hinding-hindi paglalaruan. Swerte mo kung mapagbibigyan, ingatan mo ang pag-ibig ng isang kakaiba, 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 kakaiba. Panatagpuan mo pagkawalan, minsan lang makahanap ng isang kakaiba, 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 kakaiba. Simple lang pumorma pero swabe ang dating, sa lahat yata ng bagay hanip, grabe ang galing. Chick na mahin, hindi makabasag tinggan, pero sa basketball tambak hindi ka papagbigyan. Di na niya kailangan ng gayuma para puso mo ay kanyang makuha. Di rin siya yung tipo ng babae na pantrip lang.
As of recent, but he's back on his signature heroes. I was wondering when the Amon gonna show up Tsunami Slams. Oh, wait, what is the pick outside?
Okay, this is a 100% win rate of the year that we're
Except, or maybe even pokes from Rosa to ultimately shoo them away.
Bangin ka ba?
Tapos po tahimik lang.
Yun.
Can't, this...
Ano
I
item
don't
niya?
know if it's maybe
screen.
alter ego too, acknowledging the fact that they need to change things up a bit, but they try to do things. But